Hi, welcome to SolarCafeShop.com, where I'm going to teach you in this video how to save energy with a power saver for your home. Energy facts. Consumers pay 100% from their utility company for energy consumed. Consumers waste approximately 30% of their electrical energy, not including phantom power losses. 3. Over $80 billion of electricity is unusable energy, but definitely billable in the U.S. Department of Energy. Average U.S. kilowatt per household is approximately 928 kilowatts a month in 2006, according to the DOE. So what the heck is a kilowatt hour? Well, when you buy electricity, they charge you by the kilowatt hour, kWh. When you use 1,000 watts for 1 hour, that's a kilowatt hour. So what's the difference between watts and watt hours? Watts is a measure of the rate of electrical use at any moment. Here you see a map of the United States showing the different cost per kilowatt hour in cents. You can see it varies anywhere from 5 cents all the way to potentially 20 something cents. Keep in mind that this was a map and data from 2003. Currently, right now, the national U.S. average per kilowatt hour is approximately 12 cents. This graph specifically shows that in 1975 the kilowatt hour was 2.5 cents, and it's going up to 2005. It's anywhere between 10 to 12 cents. As you already know, the average is 12 cents per kilowatt hour nationwide. So where will the cost be in 10 years if you don't start doing something now about your energy consumption and your energy behavior? Well, hopefully I'm here to help. So here's a chart showing Hawaii at 18.06 cents per kilowatt hour, 677 kilowatt hours a month, with a bill of $122.24. Every state varies, every city will vary, and locality will vary depending on your state. Energy consumption by category. You can see here that heating is your biggest load, 31%, and everything varies: cooling, water heating, lighting, appliances, and others. Saving energy equals saving money. If you could save 15% to 40% or more on your electric bill each month and put that savings into your pocket, would you want more information? Well, I would certainly hope so. So here's how you can save. You can save with a PowerSave 1200 for residential homes. It fits right next to your electrical breaker box, and it's installed by a licensed electrician on a 20 amp double pole breaker. How does a power saver work? This device operates by adjusting the power factor of the incoming supply into your house. In the next part we'll discuss what the power factor is. What is a power factor? Power factor is a percentage of electricity that's delivered to your house and used effectively compared to what is wasted. For example, a 1.0 power factor means that all electricity that's being delivered to your home is being used effectively for its purpose. However, most homes in America today have a 0.77 power factor or less. This means that 77% of the electricity coming through your meter at your home or business is being used effectively. The other 23% is being wasted by your inductive load. How much can I expect to save per month by using the PowerSave? Well, that depends on various factors: the size of your home, the amount of inductive motor load, and the amount you're paying per kilowatt hour for electricity in your area. How long will it take to save for the PowerSave? Well, it pays back anywhere between 6 to 12 months, and it's got a predictive lifespan of 20 years, up to 20 years. So think about what you can do with $100 savings a month. That's $1,200 savings a year. That's $1,200 that you can use for your dinners, groceries, clothes, for your children's retirement savings, gasoline, and house maintenance. Wow, those are great savings. So buy your PowerSaver 1200 now. Save energy with the PowerSaver 1200 for your home today. Find your local PowerSaver 1200 at www.solarcafeshop.com. Again, you can find your PowerSaver at www.solarcafeshop.com. Thank you very much for watching this video.